Hi everyone, my name is Nilesh, and today is day three. And Congratulations to myself because I got one subscriber, and he's having one question, and I thought why not? I should make that question today's what we say today's topic. Okay. So the question here is how he can start full stack development. How can he learn full stack development? I could have answered this question in the chat itself, but I think this is not something a very straight answer. Okay, because every people have their own circumstances and their own way of learning. And when you have decided that you will going to learn full stack development, it means you are already prepared that it's a long journey. Okay, and see, it is not like no, I'm not disrespecting anyone, but there are a lot of people who claim that you complete 6 months course, we will going to provide you so and so much of salary. If you're that person, then this video is not for you because I believe when you have decided that you want to be a full stack developer, then like you want to be a creator who can do each and everything, who can learn all the stacks, full stack. Okay, whether it's a front end, whether it's a back end, whether it's a like you need to deal with a database as well. Okay, so it is a long journey. Okay, and when we talk about the creator can be of anything. It can be of application, it can be of software, it can be of what we say web. Okay, so if you're a beginner, okay, I and it is not if it is not about the salary, if it is not about the money, then I would say, and you corely want to learn, if you corely want to learn, then I would suggest you to go with the JavaScript. Okay, I myself started as a JavaScript, and I'm not pushing you to start with the JavaScript. As I have already told you, every person have their own way of learning, and because this you're asking this question to me, so this is my take. I would suggest you to go with the JavaScript, complete the fundamentals and everything, and then start with the HTML, CSS. The reason is very simple because HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is one of the easiest way to learn. It is one of the easiest thing to learn. I will not say programming language also. I will say think. Why? Because if you're going with the application development, let's say you want to make a Android, app, then you need to have a proper computer because you need to run your Android Studio, okay, for running your virtual machines. Okay, and when we talk about the web development, you just need simple visual code, or if you don't have that also, you can just go with your notepad. Okay, and also there is a lot of platforms like a now Replit is paid, previously it was not. You can go with a code pen also. These platforms, you just need to type the code and it will start working. Okay, now the point here is I want you to go with again, please don't take me wrong. I don't want you to go with, but this is my suggestion. You should go with JavaScript. Okay, learn JavaScript thoroughly, understand how the logic works. There are a lot of courses available on YouTube. There are a lot of courses available on other platform which I don't want to promote, which you can put like pay 399, 499 rupees, and you can buy the courses. Okay, very cheap courses. Cheap means not in sense of quality, means with price. Okay, so you can go with this, go with these platforms, and you can learn the projects. You just so in the beginning stage, you should enjoy whatever you learn. In my previous video also, I have mentioned the same thing, that enjoying is something which is very important. If you're not enjoying the stuff which you're doing, then might after some time you will going to lose hope. One more thing, when I was learning, I was facing one problem which I would suggest you not to do if you're like me, the DSA. Okay, because if you have read articles and if you have gone through with online videos who give you the guidance, they always say that you should go with the DSA because the DSA will going to help you land a good salary But the problem here is when you start with the DSA and when you actually not able to solve the problem, you get demotivated. Okay. So my take is here, you should master one language, go with the JavaScript because it is one of the easiest language. Okay. And then you can go with HTML, CSS. And once you master creating, like, there will be, you can create calculator, create small games. Once you master that part, then try to create web pages. Okay. Once you master that part, then try to connect your project with some database, like you can use Google Sheet also. I'm not emphasizing any particular what we say stack like MongoDB or anything. I'm just saying go with anything. Okay. Try to master to link them, like, learn how to link the database with your project. Okay. Once you like master those things and you know how to deal with your database and everything, then the sky is the limit, because everything is easy now, because once you learn how to deal with your logics, okay, then everything is easy for you. And let me tell you one thing, if you know one stack and if you have mastered one stack, it is easier to switch from one stack to another stack, because the logic and everything remains the same. Okay. I'm not going to mention any complicated stack or any name like a MERN or something. Okay, because I just want to make this video very basic to understand. I don't want to complicate the things. But if you're a beginner, buddy, please go with something which is easy for you. Learn, enjoy. It's like an art. Okay, create your art, brag about your art, showcase your art. There are platforms, Netify and other platforms, where you can showcase your project and you can share the links with your friends who can enjoy your game which you create. So by doing that, you will get a confidence, and that's what I believe that is that is very important. Okay. Today, might you will not going to see me. I'm little bit not at my full, but because I supposed to make this video, so I made this. Um, I am the person who commented. His name is Hustle Master. The name itself says that he is hustling. So congratulations to you, my buddy, that you have decided that you want to go with the full stack. And again, don't get demotivated by the people who are suggesting you to do this and that. Just focus on simpler things, and trust me, we're going to do good in your life. It is not about the money, it is about the creation, it is about the art. Okay. So I think that's all. I'm not counting also. I don't know how much I've spoken till now, because I'm supposed to speak 10 minutes. My energy is little low today for I was in meet before this. And one more thing, buddy, I'm really very sorry for not replying you um on the comment. Obviously, I'm going to share the link of this video to you in the comment, so that you will be able to go ahead and watch the video. And if it is information, I don't think so I should give you the contact information like of mine, because it will not be of any use, because I don't think so I'm gonna help you. Like, uh, don't be like, don't expect a spoon feed from anyone, and I'm not the right person for that. So I am a teacher, but that's different, and this is what I'm doing is different. Okay, thank you. Anyways, if you like the video, please like. If you want to comment something, please comment. And if you have any pointers to mention, please mention it. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Yep. Subscribe if you want. Bye bye. Take care.